People ask me, why does my drive belt squeal? Do you ever hear someone with a really loud, annoying screech when they first start their car in the morning? As the drive belt ages, typically after 5 years or more, they begin to stretch and crack. I have a really neat display here showing what your drive belt is and how it can affect your car if it goes bad. Your drive belt is this rubber piece here that goes around each of these what we call pulleys. This one here controls your power steering. This one here controls your alternator. This one here controls your water pump. So as you can see, if your drive belt fails, you can overheat your car, you can lose power steering, your car can stop running because the battery is not being charged by the alternator. And sometimes it's not your belt that's the problem, but rather one of the pulleys can lock up or become loose, destroying your belt in the process. So if you're dealing with a broken belt, it's a good idea to check all of the pulleys too. If you've never had your drive belt checked and your car is 5 years old or over 60,000 miles, get it inspected. Most shops will take a look at it for free. I'm Anthony at Fast Lane Automotive. Thanks for watching and see you next time.